Yo, let's continue on with our quick start series. So, number 3. On this one, we're going to do some jumping springs because those are fun and I want to keep this fun. Let's do fun stuff. So, let's get rid of some of our enemies and we're going to make a spring and it's going to function sort of like our enemy there. So, we're going to make a spring sort of like Sonic, right? So, to jump, let's make it like that. I'm just copy pasting the thing. And if I preview, we have our enemy. We jump on him. Now, can't get all the way up there. I don't think even jumping on an enemy. So let's make an enemy there. Bounce. Bounce. Nope, we can't make it. So we need to jump even higher. And to do that, we're going to make a spring and we're going to give ourselves camera. So let's double click on our player. And we're going to give the player a new behavior. We're going to go down here. We're going to click behaviors, go down here, behaviors, add a behavior. And we're going to search for smooth camera. Smooth camera. Click on smooth camera. And that's it, you're done. Let's not add or change anything on the smooth camera. It is fine, just the way it is. So what we've done, press preview, is now the camera follows our character. Right? So this is going to be nicer to like make the level bigger, that kind of stuff. So let's close that. Now we need to make the spring. Smooth the enemy. And let's add an object. First of all, we need the actual spring. So create an object, create a sprite. We're going to call this spring. And create with Piscal. Again, 16 by 16. Oh, it was already open. I keep forgetting that it starts open. 16 by 16. Press enter. We're going to select the color for our spring. Let's get the paint bucket. Actually, let's not get the paint bucket. Let's get the pencil. Let's make the square really big. And let's pick. We already have the orangey. Let's make it a yellowish. A yellow. It's not ish. It's actual yellow. Now let's draw a little bit. Let's make it kind of like that. You know, it doesn't need to be. Yeah, let's go with that. All right, there you go. Let's call that our spring. That is 2. That is 2. Okay, cool. And let's make it 96 by 96. 96, 96, 96, 96. Press enter to make it big. I did make, yes, I did. Click save. Call it spring. Animation doesn't matter. We don't need to add it behaviors or anything like that. And let's just click apply or OK. Now let's grab our spring and let's put it there in the corner. Just like that. Now we're going to go to our events and we're going to change, for that moment we're jumping, we're going to change this how high he can jump. So let's double click our player. Let's go to behaviors. And on the platformer object, let's see jump speed. So right now it's 600. And this is what tells the player how high he can jump. So right now it's 600. So let's make it 1200. Let's make him jump twice as high. So click apply. Don't change the one on the actual behavior. We don't change anything. We leave it at 600 the way it was before. We're gonna change it here. We're gonna go to scene event, and we're gonna add a new event. And actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna delete this one. You can actually copy paste events. So I'm gonna click on this one, the one with the enemies, and I'm gonna copy paste this one, and I'm gonna change the collision. Instead of enemy, we're gonna make it with the spring, just like that. And now we're gonna do the same thing. Player can jump again. We're gonna simulate the jump button. We're gonna take away the delete because we're not deleting anything. And what we're gonna do is add a new action. Player. We're gonna search for jump speed. Jump speed. And set to, let's make it double. Actually, no, let's make it was 600. Let's make it 900. And press OK. So now order matters. So let's think about this. This goes up here. So we need to change how high he can jump before we press the button, right? Because if we change after we press the button, then we're not jumping, right? We're going to jump at the old speed. Right, so first we change the speed value, and then we tell the game to simulate the jump button. But then we need to make it go back. But first of all, let's see if this works. So preview. Let's jump on the enemy. Bounce, bounce. And now let's jump on this. And woo! It's jumping higher. Still not enough. So let's make this. Well, let's do the 1200. Probably right the first time. Let's press preview. Skill our enemies. And whoa! Yep, that is enough. 1200. Look at that. How fun that is. Bounce, bounce, and we bounce up. But now there's this issue. We changed the jump speed, so now he's always jumping at 12,000, right? So we need to put it back. And the way we do that is like this. We're going to add one more action, and we're going to say wait. So it doesn't happen immediately. We're going to wait a little bit. So wait X seconds. And it's just going to be a fraction of a second. So 0.1. That's all we need. Press OK. So we're going to wait a fraction of a second after we jump. And then we're going to copy paste this action, because you can do that as well. We're going to drag it under the wait. And now we're going to put it back to 600. Press enter. So now, the moment we jump, it goes back to 600. So normal, normal. Bounce. And if I jump, back to normal. See? 600. Bounce. Bounce. And normal jumping. Cool stuff, right? Just like that. Okay. That was the spring. That was so much fun. I love this kind of stuff, right? I hope you're enjoying this. Well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I hope you're liking this. If you do, leave a like, do that stuff. It helps out. Anyways, hope you're having fun. Peace out. Catch you next time.